Now grab the floss, let it slide in between where the bristles can't reach, keep the spaces clean. Swish some water, spit it in the sink. Now your teeth are stronger than you even think. Twice a year to the dentist, that's the plan. To keep that happy grin as long as you can. 2 times a day, morning and night. Keep 'em bright. You did it, look in the mirror. Perfect.